Hello, good morning mga kapapsilabs. Today we are going to the USPS. It's still 9 o'clock and they are open now. So, since we have 2 orders, although it's not a lot, but we make sure that we deliver it to the customer as soon as possible. Now, since they are my partners, so there's Priya. Good morning, Miss Priya. Good morning, where are you going? And where's Fiona? Hi Fiona! Show yourself. And there's Fiona, of course. Since they are my partner, so we will go together. Are you ready? We have only 2. So somebody ordered the rosary and the other one is Nicholas Rosary. She's my ever supporter customer and keep on repeating, and thank you so much for supporting us. Ayan. The 2 puppies here are happy. They have a little cells, and they can also go for delivery. So the 3 of us are going to the post office to deliver the orders. Okay. Where are we going now? Road close ahead. Nakabalik kami agad kasi mag-a-apply na ako sa online. Sa post office. Ang ganda ng kapaligiran. Nag-bloom na yung mga flowers. It's my first time Stop na, no more horse. That's the result of months of not going outside, not going for a ride. Unlike when we were there in Springfield, Missouri, we almost go for a ride. We almost go every day. Yun na almost every day with the dad. With his dad na, late dad. But now, settle down. Okay, bebe. Bebe. We're going Pitco today. Hopefully we will not lost. Lost in our way. We'll be having a tour today, huh? Drive. let's go. I will just make it fast as fast as I can. I'm hoping that GPS, and now we're heading to Pitco. Thank you for being good girls and behave, huh? Did you behave? Okay, there's a reward here.